question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 2B. This is a hard set of math question. It reads, what percent of 300 is 75? What means X? Percent means over 100. Of means multiply. 300 is just 300. Is means equals. And then you've just got 75. All you've got to do is, that's a 75. You plug that into Desmos. 75. Finish plugging into Desmos. And voila, it gives you your answer. X equals 25. Thank you for joining us today. Check out our full-length video. Go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center. Go to the playlist, the longer videos just above these shorter videos. And also click subscribe and check out this other translation video. Have a great day.